You can also change your image function, the same as you have in your GTC. So first, picture-in-picture mode with a small rectangle, picture-in-picture mode with a larger rectangle, or overlaying images. When you overlay image, you can change the transparency to give you a better details of the detected area. If you feel that your image is not lined with your thermal image, your camera image are in line, so you click in parallax, and then you can move both images in order to make them straight. Last functions under the Analysis tab is isotherm. Clicking here, you're isolating temperatures. So here I'm isolating from 71 to 76 Fahrenheit, and I'm still having my coldest and my hottest temperature. You can also limit value, as same as in your GTC, limiting your maximum or your minimum temperature just by clicking and moving your minimum and your maximum temperature, making it easier to identify the issue you have. You can also add final notes to each one of the images.